I'm Olivia.
And I'm Ava.
Welcome on our adventures.
Today we are going to be making little princess slime.
Okay, let's get started. 1 cup. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of warm water. So I'm gonna dump the whole thing in. Can I get something to mix?
Let's use a knife.
Oh, what is that? It's glue. And then mix together. Mix. And set aside.
Okay, then 1/2 cup clear glue, 1 cup water mixed together.
So water and glue. Just pour the water and the glue.
In this bowl. Okay, Lily, can you hold that upside down so we'll get out? I will get the water. Okay. Can you take this? Let's use this.
Okay, you can put that down.
Keep going over here.
Okay, now mix. And now we're going to add some glitter to the mixture. I'm just gonna shake it.
Okay, that's
A little of that glitter. Now I'm gonna pour the entire thing of this in. You know what? I'm taking the lid off.
yeah, just take the lid off.
Still okay. Now it's empty. Now we're going to pour in this entire package of pink glitter.
It'll be very glittery.
Look at this, it's so sparkly too.
Okay, now borax until slime form. Okay, so we'll get 1 cup borax. Keep going. Now we're going to put the beads in.
The jets are sticking to your hand.
Oops. It's very sticky.
I think we may have over boraxed it a little. It's like a spider web of sparkles. Even a princess would use this. Oh, that's really slimy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe below.
Thank you.